situation, what Maharashtra will offer additional to the investors?
See, what Maharashtra offers is credibility. So you don't have to offer anything more. In today's world, credibility is more than capital. And that is what Maharashtra has been doing. Whatever we have been saying, we have been delivering. And that is why you can see a huge and renewed interest in investing in Maharashtra. Of course, the credit goes to our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who has created an atmosphere and an ecosystem where everybody wants to invest in India. And we are here just to tell everybody the Maharashtra story and just to tell them that in India, Maharashtra is the best place to invest.
And any sector, specific sectors? Which
No, we are targeting all sectors because we have a very diverse portfolio. And after we finish our business, we'll be able to tell you. But I'm sure that at least in 10 to 12 different sectors, we'll be executing the MOUs.
And how much of last year MOUs realized till now?
So I must tell you that our Honorable Minister for Industries, he has also given a statement in the floor of Assembly whereby he has told what is the progress. So I must tell you that normally in India, we have seen that in most of the states, 35% of the MOUs which normally we undergo, they are fructified. But in case of Maharashtra, it is more than 55% to 60%. But in case of the MOUs which we actually did in Davos, it is more than 75%.
गर्मियों की छुट्टी होने वाली थी, मेरे पापा आने वाले थे, तो हम लोग सभी खुश थे। तो मैं बेड पे चढ़ के डांस कर रहा था, लेकिन वो पहले ही आ गए।
फ्रीज।
तो मैं उस समय तो कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकता था, तो फ्रीज फ्रेम टाइप का हो गया।
कसम पैदा कर